how to add recommended products in Shopify. Before we begin, if you want to get the best deal for Shopify, make sure you check out the pinned comment. If you want to add recommended products, you will first have to log into your Shopify admin, then use the search bar to search for search and discover. Here we want to install this application here, search and discovery. You want to click on it and then install. And once you install this, it's going to pop up right here. I'm just going to confirm the installation, and all right, we have the app installed. Now, if you scroll down here to the side, you will see recommendations. You want to click on this option for recommendations, and here it's going to show you all of the recommendations for products on your store. This is automatically going to get some of your products and add them as recommendations. If you want to add new recommendations, you will click on add recommendations, search for the item which you want to recommend on your store. You can also add complementary products by choosing a product from this list and adding it right here. And then you can also add related products if you want to. Afterwards, we'll just click on save, and that is how you add recommendations on Shopify. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.